In front of me is my phone N23, and today I would like to show you how you can set up AppLock. Begin by opening Settings and scrolling down just a bit to access Security. Then you need to tap on AppLock, select Open the encryption, and if you don't have a password already, you will be able to pick one of those options at the beginning. So in my case, pattern password. Then create it and repeat it to confirm it. After tapping on Continue. Then select Complete and click on one of those switchers next to one of your apps to lock them. So when I go back and check one of them, I can see that pattern is required. To disable AppLock from any of your apps, click on the same switchers. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!